Pros and cons, the good, the bad. Guys, we've been seeing everything for Terra Luna Classic over the last couple of days, and we've got a couple more updates coming in here. We've got some chatter from behind the scenes talking out on Twitter about what we should be doing with burn funds and so on. We're going to discuss that a little bit, but nonetheless, the overall cryptocurrency market is looking very good today, and I want to talk about that too, because although we have had some numbers come in, and Bitcoin is up today, Terra Luna Classic is up today, Ethereum is up today, I don't know how long these numbers can live, and I don't know how long the excitement will stay based on these economic reports that were released and therefore driving cryptocurrency prices and stock market prices higher today. So we're going to discuss it. We're going to discuss Terra Luna Classic and everything in store. So it sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy Terra Luna Classic, you get KuCoin down there, and KuCoin offers rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. And then if you guys want to support the burns, international users have international Binance down there. And we know that international Binance is currently, we don't know how long they're going to be doing it, currently burning all of their trading fees, and it's resulting in hundreds of thousands of dollars a week being burned for Terra Luna Classic. But guys, we got a lot to discuss in this video. And I first want to start off with the overall market, because it doesn't necessarily matter how much innovation we see on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, how much progress we see within the Terra Luna Classic community. If the overall market is trash, we won't be seeing very large price swings unless they're to the downside. So right now, we've got a very good morning today, and it's because of the employment numbers and the unemployment rate that came out. Now, if you guys have not seen the economic release, I believe 263,000 non-farm payrolls were added to the economy here in the United States today, and that was lower than the previous reading, but it is higher than consensus. They were expecting roughly 200,000 jobs to be added, and we added 263,000. Now, personally, if you ask me, I believe that their consensus was a little low on purpose, and they wanted to pad some numbers ahead of next week. You guys all know that we got elections coming up here next week. So that number did look very good, but I mean, come on, 200,000 estimate when we had 300 and something thousand the previous reading. It doesn't hold very well for me. But nonetheless, the unemployment rate is rising. Okay, now how can that be? This is the interesting part, and it doesn't matter if you're looking at Terra Luna Classic or if you're looking at Bitcoin or any other crypto or the stock market. The unemployment rising should be a bad sign, right? Well, if you've got rising employment and rising unemployment, that's a good sign. Why? It means more people are flowing back into the labor market. It means more people are coming out and wanting to join the labor force. And it's about time, man. I mean, goodness, great. Never mind. I'm not going to get into labor too much in here. But the Federal Reserve has really been hounding about how good the labor market is. And it's good to see people returning to the labor market and trying to get a job instead of sitting at home and collecting unemployment. But nonetheless, how does this relate to the cryptocurrency market? How does this relate to Terra Luna Classic and so on? Well, obviously with Bitcoin above $21,200, Ethereum above $1,600 per coin, Terra Luna Classic between that range, 21,000 and 22,000 points per coin, cryptocurrency market is reacting positively. The stock market up almost 2% today, reacting positively to this news. Now, I will mention this, and I talked about this on a live stream yesterday or a couple days ago, maybe now. With such a strong labor report, I would bet that the Federal Reserve is going to continue being aggressive when it comes to increasing interest rates, and that could have a negative effect on the market a couple days down the road when we get the next inflation report and the next interest rate report 6 weeks from now. But nonetheless, people tend to only want to worry about what's coming tomorrow and forget all about the current situation and global state of the economy and so on. So nonetheless, it could translate into bad news down the road when the Federal Reserve continues to be aggressive. And even then, Terra Luna Classic, who knows where it's going to be in 6 weeks from now. But let's discuss some of the chatter, some of the noise that's going on behind the scenes, and what people are starting to discuss out on Twitter and different forums. And that is what to do with the burn tax, right? Now, we know that there's several proposals out there about potentially getting different exchanges to jump on board with the 0.2% and so on, but this has not reached proposal level yet. And it's that, well, the Oracle pool needs to be filled up now. If the community pool is going to be getting money, we should have the Oracle pool getting money. And guys, I don't know the exact number. There's a lot of money left in the Oracle pool. It's not a dire situation to be looking at that right now. The dire situation is probably burning Terra Luna Classic so that we can reduce the supply and actually have a stable coin that can be pegged to $1. But nonetheless, the focus is already shifting on how we can fund the Oracle pool. And one of the ways that they are suggesting to do that is not only take the 10% seigniorage that goes to the community pool, but add another 10% seigniorage that goes to the Oracle pool on everything that is burned. And here's what I think that means for Terra Luna Classic. They realize the 0.2% burn tax is burning almost nothing. Our burn tax, guys, is destroying between 20 and 40 million, on a good day, 50 million Terra Luna Classic per day. And that is just, it pales in comparison to what we had prior to the burn tax being lowered. What they're trying to do, in my opinion, and you guys could agree or disagree, is take advantage of Binance burns while they're here. Binance is sending over hundreds of thousands of dollars a week. And now they've given us a 1-month grace period where they will not be burning on a weekly basis, but they will be burning again on December 2nd. So Terra Luna Classic is not going to have any major burns until December 2nd rolls around. And if they can pass another proposal to swipe 10% off of the burns and move that into the Oracle pool and move 10% into the community pool, that's going to be a very nice skim come December. It's going to be 10% of at least $1 million if we follow the previous numbers we've seen, with roughly $300,000, $13,000 and $339,000 each week for the past 2 weeks being burned by Binance burning that amount in Terra Luna Classic. So it would be a decent skim off roughly $1.2 to $1.5 million going both to the Oracle pool and the community pool. If this, and it's got time, it's got the entire month of November to make it to proposal, pass, and so on. So that's what we're seeing out there right now for Terra Luna Classic. Some chatter about what to do with this Oracle pool and how we fill that up. And also the cryptocurrency market in general doing very well today on the employment numbers that had come out. I want to know what you guys think. Does the employment numbers last? Do we rally on this employment data, or is it something that's going to fade into next week? Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below, because next week is elections, all right? It's going to be a big week for stock market, crypto market, all markets for that matter. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You've got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.